Well, hello there, and welcome to another video by Football's Best. I hope you enjoy. Do NFL players get paid for jersey sales? Here, I'll go ahead and answer the question. Yes, they get paid, but it's a little bit more complicated than that. Jersey revenue is collected in terms of licensing fees, and this is then shared between the league and players. In other words, Nike has paid the NFL for the rights to produce the jerseys. It's this fee that goes into a pool of revenue that is shared with players. So basically, Tom Brady is paid just as much as his second-string left guard is. There's no set specific amount given to players for a sale because it varies. Like I said before, the revenue is split between the NFL, which is the licensor of the jersey, Nike, who is the manufacturer of the jersey, and the players who are on the jersey. So the actual revenue varies because the costs to make, ship, and whatnot all vary. In 2016, Colin Kaepernick said he will be giving all his payment from jersey sales to charity. The problem with this is he splits that money with every other active player in the NFL. So when you buy a Kaepernick jersey, only 1/1696th of that sale will go back to Kaepernick, and therefore going to charity. This is why you don't see many players promoting the sale of their own jersey. There is actually a penalty to any player who decides to change his number or name after a seasonal deadline set by Nike. It's part of the licensing deal to protect the manufacturer and also their distributors from holding on to a dead product that won't sell. A player who still wants to make the jersey switch must effectively buy the back catalog of jerseys from the supplier. For example, when Chad Johnson changed his name to Chad Ochocinco in August of 2008, he balked at having to pay Reebok's penalty for switching jerseys and waited until the 2009 season before he could wear official Ochocinco jerseys. Other ways players get paid are from salaries, which is the most obvious, sponsorships, and concession sales. Sponsorships are only available to the most popular players, so I'm not going to cover that, but interestingly enough, players are paid for concession sales during the games. 5 Points Vids actually made a video detailing why concession prices are so high. Essentially, it is because the team owners and players split the profits, and, well, the owners want their money, so prices go up. By the way, I'd highly recommend you check out 5 Points Vids. He makes some great videos that are similar to mine. With the exception of a few odd jobs like motivational speaking, showing up for restaurant openings, and investments like a car dealership, there aren't many ways players can make money off of the field. Now you might ask, what about getting paid for Madden? Well, with the exception of the cover player, no players are actually paid for being in the game. This is possible because the NFL owns the rights to their name and therefore licenses them to EA. That about does it for this video. As always, if you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like. Also, if you would like to join my Discord, where you can talk to me and fellow subscribers, it's completely free, so there really is no reason for you not to join. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope to catch you in the next one. Drew Brees has handpicked this video and thinks you should watch it here. Juju Smith thinks you should support the channel by clicking here. Otherwise, watch my last episode right in the middle of your screen.